Video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is A2, class size is 20 to 30, class length is 45 minutes, and the topic is Beauty and the Beast. Warm-up. We prepare flashcards containing our key vocabulary. One card equals one word. Each card has explanation of the word and students have to mime the feelings. Other students try to guess the feeling. After a while, the students holding the card shows the word and or reads the explanation. YouTube video. Tell students they're going to watch a short version of Beauty and the Beast on YouTube. Ask students if they understand the content of the video after watching it. Main task. Drama activities for key vocabulary. Choose any of the drama activities from the handbook. For example, name emotion. Players are standing in a circle. Everybody says their name, then the name of the person next to them with different emotions. Frozen picture. Students choose a feeling and a scene from the story and create a frozen picture. As the teacher touches different students, they speak out their characters' thoughts and feelings. Post-task review. As a class, review the language. Show students photographs of real people with certain face expressions. Students have to describe how these people feel according to them using the key vocabulary.